Alright everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. And in this lecture we are going to talk about GATE Biotechnology exam. Anything related to GATE Biotechnology will be discussed. Every single thing related to the GATE Biotechnology exam. That includes GATE Biotechnology exam date, timing, exam pattern, the fees, and so many more information. So if you want to know about the GATE Biotechnology exam, who can appear into the exam, whether you should go for GATE Biotechnology or not, then this video is just for you. So let's begin to talk about the important properties of GATE Biotechnology exam. Starting from the number of tests. One test every single year is conducted for GATE Biotechnology. The conducting institute can be either 7 IITs across India or IISC, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Now the organizing institute vary from year to year. For example, if this year IIT Kharagpur is conducting the test, maybe the next year IIT Guwahati can conduct the test. Maybe next year IIT Bombay can do the test. So this is how it varies from year to year. And it's very important that you know which particular organization, which particular IIT or IISC is actually setting the paper, because that helps to understand the pattern of the questions. Medium of the exam is obviously English. Mode of the exam is computer based test, that is CBT mode. Subject papers that are allowed, maximum 2 paper combinations are allowed. Now what is the list of this 2 paper combination? Primarily it's biomedical engineering, BM, then Excel, that is life sciences. Now the second paper, any of this, biomedical engineering or life sciences, can take as a second paper if the primary paper is biotechnology, because it's about the GATE Biotechnology exam. So along with biotechnology, you can either take biomedical engineering or life sciences as a second paper. The time duration for the exam is 3 hours. The maximum marks is 100. The sections, there are general aptitude section, and the candidate selected subject combination type questions will be there. The general aptitude portion is common to all, and the subjective paper is different as per your selection. Type of questions, there are 3 types of question. Multiple choice question, that is MCQ type, you all know that. Multiple select question, MSQ type, and numerical answer type, NAT type. These are the 3 type, okay? MCQ, MSQ, NAT. Then comes the number of questions. 10 questions for the general aptitude part, 55 questions for subjective part, and that gives the total of 55 questions for the subjective, that gives the total of 65 questions. A total of 65 questions. Okay. Pattern of the questions. So see the question marks. For general aptitude, there are 2 kinds of question. 5 questions, each 1 marks, plus 5 questions, each 2 marks, gives us 5 plus 10, 15 for general aptitude. And 25 questions out of 55 in subjective is 1 marks, 25, and 30 questions out of 2 marks, 60, 60 plus 25, 85. So that gives us 15 plus 85, total of 100 marks. Distribution of marks, if you can consider here, you can see the general aptitude 15 marks, engineering and mathematics 13 marks, subjective questions 72 marks. So 15 plus 13 plus 72 gives us total 100 marks. Marking scheme, there are 2 kinds of question. We saw 1 marks question and 2 marks question, right? Negative marking, for a 1 mark question, for the MCQ, the negative marking is 1 by 3, 1/3. For 2 mark question, it's 2 by 3, 2/3. But remember, the negative marking is only present for the MCQ question only, and it's absent for the MSQ and NAT questions. Eligibility, any person, anyone from the 3rd year onward, from their graduation time or thereafter, that is a master's 1st year or the BTech 4th year and onwards, are eligible for this GATE Biotechnology exam. Okay. Age limit, there is no particular age limit mentioned for the GATE Biotechnology exam. So that concludes about the all information regarding GATE Biotechnology exam. When it is conducted, how many times, what is the question paper, what is the exam pattern, and every single little details that you need to know about the GATE Biotechnology exam. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और वीडियो को दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करो ताकि सब मिल के प्रिपरेशन कर पाए और ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द अपकमिंग एग्जाम. थैंक यू. बाय.